This training video will show you how to create a truckload shipment using the short form. First, we're going to go to Shipments at the top of the screen and select Create Shipment Short Form. Now, the purpose of the short form is for you to enter a truckload shipment quickly without having to fill in every field. So first, we're going to select a customer. And after you select the customer and assign it, you just have to fill in a few required fields in order to create the shipment. This is really great to use when you just want to get a quote out quickly to a customer. So first we have the origin and destination, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that out. Next we have the shipment type, which I'm going to change to truckload. The status, you can use any of the statuses listed below, but if this is just a quote, we recommend using request for quote. Next, we're going to skip over the accessorial since that's more for LTL shipments, and we're going to come right down to items to ship. So for the handling, I'm going to put one truckload shipment, or if you like, you can put the number of pallets or containers that are in the truck. For the pizzas, if you don't know the piece count, just use the same number you're using for handling. For the total weight, typically it should be about 40,000 pounds. And description, just put the commodity that you're shipping. Below the commodity information, you have the trailer size. You can do full or partial. And then you have the trailer type, where you can choose from all these different types of trailers. After you enter in the items to ship and fill in the trailer size and the trailer type, just scroll down to the cost calculation section. Now, if you already know the carrier who you are going to use on the shipment, you can enter them now. And there's three fields. You have the pickup, line haul, and delivery. Now, if you're using one carrier for this entire shipment, then you just need to put in the line haul carrier. But if you have a separate carrier who's going to handle the pickup, a different one that's going to handle the delivery, then you want to fill in those fields with the appropriate carrier. On this example, we're just going to enter a line haul carrier. If you just move your cursor into the field, it's going to give you a drop down of all the carriers that you have set up. Okay. So now I've entered AJ Trucking. As soon as you select AJ Trucking, it's going to give you some compliance information. There's a separate video that covers compliance information and how this all works. Please view that training video for information on compliance. Now, after you select the carrier, go ahead and select, or actually click on Edit Pricing to enter in the pricing. Now, the Edit Pricing worksheet will appear, and remember the top row here is how much the carrier is charging you. Well, let's say the carrier is charging you $1,200. And as soon as you enter in that amount, it will trickle down to the sell section. So the second row is how much you're charging your customer. So I'm just going to override this and put in 1,800. And then I'm going to click on Update. Now we also do have a separate training video on the Edit Pricing modal if you want more details on how to edit your pricing. So now I've entered some basic information. I have the commodity information entered, my origin and destination zip code, and the cost calculations and pricing. Now I'm going to go in and select Save and View Details. And as soon as I select Save and View Details, the shipment will save and give me the truckload shipment number, and now it's in the status of Request for Quote. Now at this point, you can do a couple of things. You can go to Shipment Documents and click on the quote sheet and send off the quote sheet. Or you can go to Shipment Tools and go to the Truckload Volume Quoting page. Now, the Truckload Volume Quoting page has a lot of features to help you identify a carrier to use for this load. I know in this example I already selected a carrier, but if I had not selected a carrier, I could come to this Truckload Volume Quoting page, post to load boards, get information from DAT, and view prior history. We have a separate training video that covers the Truckload Volume Quoting page and all the different tools that you see here. Please view that training video, those training videos for more information on Truckload Volume Quoting. But at this point, the shipment's been created, it's in a quoted status, and now you can proceed with the order. For more information on our other truckload features, please view our other truckload training videos. Thank you.